Yeah, hi everyone. My name is Craig and I'm located in northern Wisconsin. And what I want to talk about a little bit is the signal flow through my own personal recording setup. There are a couple of things that are a little unique about it, and I'll touch on those. But nothing else, I hope you'll learn a little bit about how I've got it set up, and I'm using it to record some of my own music. So here's the setup that I'm currently using for recording. This is my audio interface, which is the Pod Line 6 Tone Port UX2. It has two mic inputs and an instrument input, and it also has capability of having a padded instrument input. It has two VU meters on the front, which are used for a variety of purposes. They can record the input, the output, however you configure them. The mic inputs, as you see, have their own separate gain controls. And there's also a headphone jack on the front as well. Separate audio controls for the headphones and also the line output. And what I'm doing for the line output, as you can see, I've got two analog outputs, a left channel and a right channel, and I actually have a Y cable that connects those into a standard speaker connector, and that then runs to a pair of powered speakers that I can use as a studio monitor. I do have capability of SPDIF digital output, and I'm using the USB port to go to the computer. Currently not in use is I can also connect two foot switches, and I can also have two line inputs. Again, they're monaural line inputs, left and right channel, or however you have them configured in the input. From here, it goes to my laptop, which the laptop is running the Line 6 Pod software here. And the Line 6 Pod software has a lot of different capabilities it adds, but probably most importantly is this is the interface between the digital audio workstation and the Tone Port UX2. I can set up for different configurations for amplifier emulations for both the microphones and the instruments. I have a mixer panel where I can decide whether I want to send wet or dry outputs to the digital audio workstation and how I want to generally direct the flow within the computer. I've got an instrument tuner. I can control the various instrument emulations as part of the software as well. And lastly, I'm using the Reaper digital audio workstation, which is a free download. You can use it for 60 days, digital audio workstation, and then for non-professional use, it's like a $60 license, something like that, to utilize it. But extremely powerful, tremendous number of features in this digital audio workstation. Actually, as you can see here, this is a sample project, and I've got quite a host of different tracks that are already recorded here, and a tremendous number of effects that you can apply to those. So that's basically my signal flow setup for my studio, and I hope you learned something from it. Or if you have any questions on any of the equipment I'm using or how I've got the signal flow set up, feel free to contact me. And good luck.